Hi friends, in last class we discussed about coal and petroleum chapter. Now the chapter is completed. Now in this class we discuss about two easy scientific activities. Let us start the first activity. You are seeing here the first activity. The first activity name is pepper powder activity. In this activity you should take detergent soap or which soap is available in your home, that soap you will take. You will take pepper powder, plate and some water. You are seeing a plate with some water and pepper powder. Now take pepper powder and spread it. Take some more. Now you are seeing some pepper powder added to the glass. Now take some detergent soap. I am taking this detergent soap. You take your soap which is available in your home. Now add to this pepper powder. See, the pepper powder gone away. Why this pepper powder gone away? Because the soap is very powerful. So it throws the microorganisms away. So wash your hands regularly. Okay. Now our first activity is completed. So in second activity, the name is gel throwing activity. You are heard about this name of I think you heard about this name because in your science textbook in sound chapter this gel throwing activity also came. Now I am seeing this doing this activity. You must see carefully. You are seeing here 5 glasses. So in this glass you are seeing full of water, okay. So in this glass you are seeing less water than in the first glass. So in this glass you are seeing less water than in the second glass. So in this glass you are seeing less water than in the third glass. So in the last glass you are seeing less water than in the fourth glass. So you must take this type of quantities if you are doing in home this gel throwing activity. Now you should take 2 pencils, 2 or 3, that's your wish. So if you take 5 glasses or 6 glasses, that also in your wish only. If you take 2 pencils and you are observing here the sound is very melodious and is very a good pleasant sound. If you hear the first glass, the sound is some less sound. If you hear in second glass, the sound is more than the first glass. If you hear in third glass, the sound is more than in the second glass. If you heard in the fourth glass, the sound is more than in the third glass. If you heard this fifth glass, the sound is more than the fourth glass. So here the sound is more when the water quantity is very less. Now hear the sound carefully. See, you are hearing some more amount of sound in this glass, and you are hearing some less motor sounds, and the sound is very melodious. So it is called the homemade sound instrument. Also, this electronic activity called. By this activity, you can get a melodious sound. So these are the two activities now in this day. So in the next another part, in part 2, I will tell two more activities. So this activity we told about the first activity, the pepper powder activity. The pepper powder activity shows that soap is very powerful, that keeps microorganisms away. So now in the COVID times, you must hand wash neatly with sanitizer. So soap also very powerful than sanitizer. If you having soap in your home, please hand wash with the soap. Okay, in the second activity, you heard about the Jantanang sound. So the sound is very melodious, and I think this activity came in our 8th class in sound chapter. Okay, so these are the two activities nowadays. If you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.